guys, welcome to my channel, the one and only vegan club. I'm gonna show y'all how to make some fried oyster mushrooms, yams, and collard greens. No meat, no dairy at all natural plant-based ingredients. I promise you will love this recipe. First, I start by simply shaving and chopping the sweet potatoes. Then I go ahead and add some salt and mix it up really well. And then I add it in a pot. I do make my own almond milk. And then I add nutmeg. I do add cinnamon seasoning, and I add maple syrup as well. If you know, I have the best homemade yams ever. Literally no butter, no processed milk, all made from scratch. Then I go ahead and soak my collard greens in water, baking soda. While I let the collard greens soak, I'm chopping up the garlic, the onions, slice it into small pieces. I also go ahead and slice up the tomatoes so that it can give you just a little bit more flavor. I don't add any bacon at all. Now, after adding garlic, onion powder, pepper, then I add a little salt as well to give it even more taste. After rinsing off the collard greens really well, I go ahead and chop them up. And after letting the onions, garlic powder, and tomatoes cook for about 6 minutes, I then add the collard greens while it cooks on medium temperature. Then I go ahead and prepare the oyster mushroom. My favorite. I add garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and salt. These are my favorite seasonings. Mixing them up a little bit and then adding some spelt flour so that the oyster mushroom can easily fry. These are my favorite mushrooms, and if you're a vegan, I recommend it. This is the final results. It was so good. Please save this recipe for later. I promise you will love it. Thank you, and subscribe to my channel for more.